Omnissa App Volumes helps IT reduce app delivery and management costs across Windows endpoints. Using App Volumes, IT can easily package and deliver apps with 99% compatibility, simplify Day 2 lifecycle management with features such as app rollback, and optimize infrastructure costs. Packaging apps with App Volumes eliminates scripting and manual efforts normally required from your IT team. Simply create an app in App Volumes Manager and capture the app to be delivered either at logon time or on demand. Then for the end user, you can see in their desktop that they've been assigned this app. The icon is right there on the Start menu. With the Apps on Demand feature of App Volumes, the app is only downloaded when the user needs it. This happens almost instantly, and the user has the latest version of the app. IT can simplify Day 2 management with App Volumes. For example, if you need to update an app, IT can create a new package and use the Set Current marker to specify that users get the latest version. This helps keep environments secure with apps that are patched and up to date. If something goes wrong, IT can roll back to a prior working version by moving the Set Current marker. Then the prior working version is available while IT troubleshoots the app. In addition to apps on demand for individual users' machines, there are also benefits to using it on RDSH servers, including with Horizon and Citrix. This reduces infrastructure needed since apps are attached to RDSH servers and delivered as users need them instead of building out dedicated farms for different apps. You would do this by connecting your App Volumes Manager with an RDSH farm, in this case a Horizon RDSH farm, and adding the application pool. Then entitle users and the applications are available to them on demand. Apps are the lifeblood of workforce productivity. As the number of apps increases and IT is asked to do more with less, App Volumes can help your IT team automate app management activities to more efficiently and securely support your hybrid workforce and optimize your infrastructure investments.